In this video, we are just going to see an overview of data types in Python programming language. So, data types are building blocks of program which are most widely useful for building large amount of data in your programs. So, without these data types, you cannot process the data or even you cannot involve a data in your programming language. Remember that. And on the screen, you can see these are all the basic data types available in Python programming language. And the most common data type among all the programming languages is the numeric data type. And coming to our Python, this numeric data type is further split into three different types. One is integer data type and it comes under the class int, and this particular int is a keyword in Python which cannot be used for any variables because this is a standard keyword in Python programming language, and this particular data type is useful for storing and processing whole numbers such as 7, 400, minus 3000, etc. So whether it is a negative number or a positive number, this integer is useful for processing a whole number as it is. And the next type that is available inside the numeric data type is the float data type, and this particular float is a class for this float, and this is also a keyword in Python programming language, and this data type is used for processing decimal numbers such as 4.3, 7.0, etc. If you give the value as 7, it is a whole number, then that comes under integer data type, and if you provide 7.0, the moment you give it as 7.0, that particular number comes under a float data type format. And coming to the next numeric data type that is available in Python is the complex numbers. So using this complex class, that is complex keyword, you will be able to process complex numbers. That is, you want to provide a real part and imaginary part for the number, and you can process the complex number for arithmetic operations in your Python programming using this particular complex number data type. And next data type is the Boolean data type, which will be holding only two values, true or false, 1 or 0. So wherever you want to provide a true or false situation, 1 or 0 situation, or on or off situation, you can use this particular Boolean data type for processing your data. So this class BOOL is also a keyword, and you cannot use this particular keyword for any other data processing in your program, like such as assigning a variable in the name of bool or anything else. And coming to the sequence types available in your Python programming language, the first and foremost sequence that you can define and use is the string. The strings are nothing but ordered sequence of characters. Example, double quotes of hello, single quotes of SM, double quotes of 7000. The moment you give a number inside the double quotes or single quotes, that number will be taken as a ordered sequence of characters. It will not be considered as a numeric number, and you can use either double quotes or single quotes for defining and using a string in your Python programming language. And we don't have a character data type in your Python programming language, and string data with the number of characters to be 1 is also considered as character in your program. And from here we will look into the data structures of Python programming language, and these data structures such as list, tuple, dictionary and set are specialized data types other than numeric, string, boolean, float, integer, etc. because these are data structures consisting of various data from varieties of data elements. So for example, if you take a list data type or data structure, this comes under the class list, and this list is also a keyword. So these are ordered sequence of objects which comes inside a square bracket, and these can consist of data from different data objects such as numeric, string, float, etc. For example, as you can see on the screen, we have number 10, string SM, and floating point number or decimal number 400.3 clubbed together in an ordered sequence of objects, and you can access them using some list order. And next data type is the tuple data type, and these are all ordered immutable sequence of objects. So This is similar to list data type, but we cannot change the value of the tuple once it is defined. For example, this comes inside a parenthesis, and this also consists of objects or data objects from different types. For example, you can see we have different data objects like numeric, string and floating point numbers clubbed together in a parenthesis for defining a tuple on the screen. And the next data type is the dictionary data type, and this comes under the class DICT. These are all unordered keys with value pairs. This is similar to tuple except that this is an unordered keys with value pairs. This will be having a key and a value pair, and both the keys and value pairs will be coming inside double quotes, and each key and value pairs will be separated by comma, and whole dictionary will be surrounded by curly braces. And for example, you can see my key is the key for the unordered dictionary, and the value pair for my key is value, and name one is the key for second dictionary, and SM is the value pair for the name one. And coming to the set, this is also an unordered collection of unique objects, except that unlike dictionary, we don't have a key value pair. We will be having only objects such as double quotes of A, double quotes of B, separated by commas. This is also covered using curly braces. So these are all the possible data types available in Python programming language, and don't worry, this is just an overview video, and we will see each and every data type with live examples, how they are able to be defined in the program, and how you can process the data using each and every data type in further next videos. So each and every data types will be explained in a separate video from next video. So this is just an overview video. I hope you learned something new in this video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.